Hey everybody, this is Pastor Larry, and we're right now in a place that I've never been before. I've been to Israel 30 times. We are in Shiloh, or Shiloh as they would say in Hebrew, and they've just discovered the foundation of the original tabernacle. This is the place, as you and I are getting ready in a week to give our first fruit offering, this is the place they brought the first fruit offering for the very first time 3,400 years ago. They would say in these hills there would be hundreds of thousands of people coming to this place to bring their first fruit offering. I know God brought me here. I didn't know I was coming. God brought me here to release an anointing on your first fruit offering, because this is the beginning of the end time transfer of wealth, the time of miracles. Your breakthrough is coming in a way you've never imagined. Shiloh to now, the miracle of God is for you.